You think about a company that has a successful business model today.
Yeah.
It's working well for them. Why should they embrace transformation?
That's a great question, John. I know a number of companies which are doing very well. They're doing well. They're successful with their customers. Their customers love them. They have long-term relationships. They're delivering good quality. They are maybe even very successful economically. Why should they embrace transformations? Is you always need to know how you are doing compared to competition. So are our products state of the art? Do we have exactly what customers want to have today? Then from the industrial systems, do we have the industrial systems what will allow us to produce those products at the best cost possible, in the best quality possible, and in the best possible footprint and supply chain, so that we have an efficient supply chain and manufacturing. And it's very rare, John, that companies are 100% everywhere. Typically they are not. And typically they are not even at 90% everywhere. Typically they are below that in terms of maturity level. Or let's call it 5-star. Like, think about a 5-star hotel. Everything would be perfect. The room, the dinner, the service, the web presence, everything. Whatever you look at, it's 5-star. Companies are a little bit the same. A 5-star organization would be 5-star everywhere, but there are very few of those. Yeah? Most companies are homogeneous pictures of maturity levels across functions. So why transform? Because we need to stay at the forefront for our customers, for our employees, and for our market, because the picture can change very quick. Look at everybody knows the Kodak stories or other nightmare stories where companies fail to innovate, and they are the market leader, and 5 years later they disappear. Yeah, Nokia, another good example. But there are plenty of those also with lesser known companies. Those, everybody knows them because they have been so prominent. But the same thing happens every day with lesser known companies. Nobody talks about because they are not known, but it happens all the time. So a little bit like we humans, when we feel something is not right, it's better to address it soon rather than later, because it will be more complex to address and it will be more painful.